Hi, today I'm gonna give you my honest opinions on some of the most hyped beauty products on the internet. So let's start. I have 5 products in front of me, and I think all of these are Indian brands. I do not have the first product with me right now, but whenever I apply it, everybody compliments me and they ask me what perfume are you wearing, but it's not a perfume, it's a body oil by Plum, the vanilla vibes. I think everyone has used this product by now, but I still wanted to talk about this in this video because this product was so hyped up, and for all the right reasons. I absolutely love it. It is very light on the skin. It is perfect for winters as well as summers. I'm not someone who likes vanilla fragrances. I'm more of a fruity fragrance kind of person. The thing that I dislike about vanilla is that it can sometimes be a little too sweet, but this one is just perfect. It's pure vanilla. I don't think anyone can hate this fragrance. This was my first vanilla body oil, and I have to say it has completely changed my opinions about vanilla. I am loving vanilla these days, and I was not expecting this, but its fragrance lasts for so long. It easily lasts for 3 to 4 hours on my body. So I think the Vanilla Vibes body oil is totally worth the hype. The next product is this deodorant by Plum again. Hawaiian Rumba was one of my most favorite fragrances by Plum last year. I have tried their perfume. I have also tried their pit cream and now the roll on. This one also lasts for a really long time. It has 4% lactic acid, 1% glycolic acid. I think it is very similar to Chemistat Play deodorant. Let me check. Okay, the Chemistat Play has 4% lactic acid, 1% malic acid. This one has 4% lactic acid, 1% glycolic acid. The only thing that slightly bothered me is that whenever I wear this, and this is so weird, after a few hours, when this blends in with your body odor, it gives this really weird sweet smell. Like it is overly sweet and it almost makes me nauseous. This is the only thing that I disliked about this product, and these things are extremely subjective. It can perform completely in a different way on your body. So I don't know how I feel about this one. Also, I haven't used it long enough. I think I'm only using this since the past 2 weeks, which is not enough. But right now, I think I'm like in the middle. It is not bad, but it is not great either. The next one is this hair growth serum by Wishcare. It is their hair growth serum concentrate. It has 3% redensil, 4% anagen, caffeine, biotin, plant keratin, rice water. I haven't used this for that long. I think it's only been like 2 weeks, so I can't really comment about its effectivity. But let me show you the texture. At first, the texture seems really light, but what I have noticed with my hair, I usually use it around this area, that is my hairline. And if I use it for 2 to 3 days continuously, it tends to create some sort of oiliness around that area, which I really hate. I was expecting the serum to be like super light, but it doesn't really do that. On the packaging, it says that you need to use it every day to see faster results, but I can't really use this every day because it leaves an oily residue. So right now, I think I'm in the middle for this product as well. The next product is this Vanilla Caramello Body Lotion by Plum. Of course, this is not the full size. I bought this trial size from Smitten. I just wanted to try it before I buy the full size product because I was so scared that I'm going to waste my money. Vanilla Caramello sounds like something that will be too sweet and just not my vibe, but I was completely wrong. This one smells so nice. It is not too sweet at all. This one smells really beautiful. That is all I can say. I can't really break down any of the fragrances. You can definitely smell the vanilla in here. Oh my god, I can't stop smelling this one. Texture is again creamy and super light, and it gets absorbed very quickly, and it is perfect for summers. This is great, but it doesn't last long. But I'm still thinking about getting the full size because I love the fragrance. So I think this is definitely worth the hype. Next one is this Triple Bond Repair Booster Serum by Wishcare. This is not actually a serum, it's a hair conditioner. You're supposed to use it after you wash your hair and leave it in for 10 minutes and then wash it off. I've only been using this since the past 2 weeks. Yes, I got 3 of these products together in one order. Right now, I feel like it performs very similar to the other conditioners that I've tried before. It does make my hair super soft, but the frizz is still there. The fragrance of this one, personal opinion, I'm not a huge fan, but some of you might enjoy its fragrance. So right now for this one, I am in the middle. It is good, but nothing great. Hi, Apurva from Future. I am editing this video now. I think I filmed this video last week, and since then, I have changed my opinion about this conditioner slash serum. I quite like it. It makes my hair super soft. It doesn't take care of my frizz, but really makes it so soft and shiny. I like it. It will take me some time to form complete opinion about this conditioner, but it is definitely not like other conditioners that I've used. It is different, and I think it is worth the hype. Bye. And the last product is this Dr. Seth sunscreen. It's the ceramide and vitamin C sunscreen. I cannot believe that I haven't tried this sunscreen till now. I've been hearing about this sunscreen for so long, but I don't know why I never thought about purchasing it myself. This is the kind of sunscreen I like to use during summers. I'm going to apply this and show you how it looks. It has a very creamy consistency. It is very simple, very light, and it is perfect for people with oily skin. It just blends so easily in my skin. It's just perfect. Now, I've said this before that I hate dewy sunscreens because I have oily skin and it makes my skin look even more oily, and I still stand by it, but this one sunscreen is definitely an exception. I think it has such a good finish. I really don't mind a little bit of dewiness that it gives. I think it looks really nice on my skin. I actually don't mind dewy sunscreens for the first time. I like my liquidy, fluid-like sunscreens during winters, but during summers you need something heavy duty, and that is exactly what this is. This one is super creamy, gets absorbed into your skin very easily, doesn't leave any white cast, and it just feels so light on your skin. It's fragrance free, which is great. This is also quite affordable, and I think I found my new favorite sunscreen. So this is totally worth the hype. If there is one product that you need to buy from this list, it's this. And that's it. If you like this video, then please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Amor antigo, mesmo que o tudo vem, mesmo quando estarei velha, sempre chove.